Welcome back, guys. Your boy Catloco back at the yard again, and this is just like a little junkyard tip. All you boys making fiberglass consoles, custom consoles for your Chevy. So the junkyard's like, packed full of cup holders, various console designs, and like, let me show you this one. So right now I'm looking at a what's this? 05 Chevy Cavalier. Somebody already took the console out, but this can be a good template for someone trying to make a console, not really the sides, but more like the top part. You have your little cup holders, and then you get this little glove box right here. Sometimes people already got them out. Got the cigarette lighter right on the side. Get USBs. You can do something on the front to hide it. But like, I'm looking at this Cadillac, this 04 Caddy. Instead of buying like cup holders on eBay or Amazon, you got this design right here. So, if you need cup holders, boom. Probably like $2 for this, something cheap. It's half off, so it's even cheaper. So you clean this up, design your console, and find little different designs that you like. Cut that out in your MDF. Boom. You got your cup holder. But anyway, that's just a quick tip. I wanted to show you one more. So right next to it, you got this 08 Pontiac Grand Prix. And I'm digging how they did this in the console. So you see how it's like curved, and then it goes up, and then it flattens out. And then I kind of like this tiered cup holder situation. I'd have larger cup sizes for me because I like the big cups. But that's another design I don't think I've seen in a console where it's like tiered. Then again, you got your cigarette lighter. You can put buttons. You can put a whole bunch of stuff in this little console design. But you can get ideas from the junkyard, from other cars, on how you want to design it. But yeah, that's just a quick little tip I like to show you guys. I'm out. So it's your boy Loco. So today we're at this 01 GMC Yukon, and if you take a look at it, it's all busted out. Got shit on the ground, and even the engine's gone. This is probably, yeah, this is Yukon XL. That's a 6.0. And as you can see, 6.0 gone. So you'd be like, yo, what you want with that truck? We here for the truck, just not for the reason you're thinking of. So I got a little project going on. You'll see it later on this week, I believe, but I'll give you some hints. So I went and picked up some the other half of that harness I cut from that other truck, the Suburban. Got some wires. I don't need the brick, but I'll take the wires just cause. Then I need this, the OBD2 connector. It's broken, but we don't really care about that. All we care about is the pins work. So I'm gonna go ahead and snip this off, and then we just need one more piece of the puzzle. Stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so I decided to come out when it was like the hottest day in Kansas City. Anyway, guys, so I couldn't really film taking out that last piece. There were people around. I just went in there, cut out what I needed to, and dip. So basically what I picked up, I picked up some wire, some power wire, some, the pink and orange wires. I picked up the OBD2 connector out of that Yukon. Then the last piece, the blue connector. So I needed the PCM connector. So if you put all the clues together, you can pretty much figure out where this is going. But anyway, I hope you liked the video. I'll show you more once I get the parts and pieces in. But remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.